and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this neon kind of effect on, neon outline effect on CapCut PC. It's actually super simple to do, so I'm just going to right click, copy, right click, paste on the video first, and then I am going to go to effects, and then I think I'm going to select the one in nightclub, and there's a neon outline one, and I'm just going to add it on top of the video. You can also adjust the strength here. I'm just going to, I think, leave it like this, maybe a 50. Then go to filters and add in a black and white filter on top of that. And then we're going to go to media, and we are going to go and add in a color. You can choose any color that you want. Just going to choose this, maybe not this blue one, maybe this purple color, and just add it on top of that. Next, you're going to choose a blend mode, which is the linear burn one. Let's just kind of zoom out a little bit so you guys can see the timeline. Then we're going to select everything, and I think we're going to create a compound clip with that. So right click and create compound clip. Go to blend mode and choose the color dodge one. As you can see, it creates this neon outline effect. If it's too much, you can kind of adjust it. It's better if the lighting is a little bit darker, so you might just go to adjustment and adjust the brightness on your initial first video. And that is basically it. I think it's super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!